Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones Soundcore P20i. So let's get started with open the application, and I recommend to install the application to enable a lot of features here. And the first one, these headphones have bass boost, so it's classic. I prefer this one. So if you want to enable it, just go to equalizer in the application and just turn on it. Second one, really comfortable controls. So you can add any control to any gesture here. Let's say I wanna volume down on the press and hold, I can make it, choose it here, and it's the same with the call your assistant or play previous next track. You can change it here. Next one, you can find your headphones, so just click on find device and you can play a song of any of the headphones. And the last one, that you can enable or disable touch tone. So if you want to use it, you can enable it here. Don't want, just disable it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.